Thursday, May 15th, and I didn't come out here yesterday, but we can see what's going on here right now. We haven't done a video in the last couple of days because of the wildfire situation in and around the paw, but Dad moved in the equipment here the other day just to get it out. He was worried it might rain when he was doing the sanding, grinding, and bondoing and whatever else. But all this got moved in the shop the other day, and Dad was building new stands day before yesterday, and so now he has the front cab extended out, and the young fella showed back up to work. He was evacuated twice, once from Wanless and once from Carrot Valley, and so these guys are continuing on with the bondoing and whatnot. I can see Dad's actually done quite a bit of work on the cab here as well, so this is probably just drying out. They're likely going to be starting into here, and the young fella isn't here right now, but I know he was doing more sanding on the 1952 wide gauge here, and this wide gauge is a customer from Cranberry Portage. It's in for a paint job and power steering, and we've featured this on previous videos, but not too much has happened here other than the sanding, which is fine because Dad's had some other work from another customer. So we've got the Muskeg Tractor and this 1952 R18 Bombardier in the shop. Now I want to just make sure you guys know this is not going to be the same Bombardier that was featured for sale. That's a friend of ours. He's got a 1952 R18 as well in the same lineup as this one, like the same year this one, so I don't want you guys getting confused. This one's not for sale. The other for sale video is the friend of ours. So you can see this is some fresh stuff here that Dad hasn't sanded down here yet. And then we got my Filipino Emily over there having a little afternoon lunch, and I'm going to check in with Dad here and see if he can give us the update. So Dad's just going to give us a walkthrough update here real quick.
I didn't do anything on this one today.
Okay.
We were sanding on this one, get all the rough stuff off.
Yeah.
And then we had a power failure.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, for 2 hours.
Oh, wow.
So the young guy left.
Okay.
This is all ready for getting here.
Okay.
So we didn't get much accomplished today.
Okay, well, but lucky we pushed everything back into place here
Yeah.
in the shop.
I made a hitch this morning.
Okay.
You just stick this into the receiver,
Oh, okay.
drop that on the ball,
Too easy.
and that way you're fully control of it.
Okay.
All this rough stuff is done now. I got a sanding board coming in,
Okay.
a new one, like this,
Okay, wow.
and you do that much at a time. I'll just show you.
Oh.
Pull, 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 pull. That way, wherever it's level,
Yeah.
it has to be sanded so there's nothing shiny.
Okay.
And then from there, but none of us right even, as you can see.
Yeah.
once you get it sanded like that, it's got scratches in it.
Yeah.
Then the primer will stick.
Okay.
So the whole thing has to be
So
done.
did we have this in stock, or did you buy this?
And I ordered another one today.
Oh, okay.
Because that's the answer.
Okay. So
with a palm sander, you get dips, eh?
yeah,
Now we know this is
level. Yeah.
level. So I just got to fill those little holes like that.
Yeah.
That's what
Okay,
it's
so it's just about finding the right tool for the job, and I'm glad Dad's able to find this here. And so yeah, this is what these guys been working on. I didn't realize there was a power outage here for 2 hours, but just started raining here, and thank God it did. It's been so tinder dry around here, and we're thankful for the rain, but Dad's moved inside so he can continue to work.
Don't have to worry about any of this stuff rusting.
Yeah. Okay, so there's your update, guys, and we'll continue to do this maybe tomorrow or this weekend.